create your own ChatGPT using Python. First, we have to import OpenAI library whose installation process is given in the description. On the place of your secret API key, you have to write your API key, which you can generate through the website whose link is also given in the description. Here's an example how our code will run. We have to write whatever we want just in front of the enter your prompt, and it will reply us within a few seconds.